March 12, 2015 was filled with shining moments for Philippine boxing as a much hyped up fight card under Saved by the Bell Promotions lived up to its billing.
This is the pilot episode of Laban Pinoy, and hopefully by this coming June, we could have the second edition. Yung mga top contenders ng bawat stable, iminamatch natin to come up with certain fighter na posibleng pumalit kay Manny Pacquiao.
The two headlining bouts were both title fights. One was for the WBO Oriental Super Bantamweight Championship. And the main fight was for the Philippine lightweight crown.
Ito po, kami po yung training ko kasi una-una ay po talaga si Bernabe noon pa. Tsaka hindi ko agad expect manalo, sa akin lang. Makalaban ko lang siya, okay na ako. Inisip ko, kaya ko to. Pero nung ilang sunto ko, hindi talaga bumagsak. Sabi ko, relax lang kasi, hindi basta-basta ng kalaban ko. Magaling nito, malakas to, baka matamaan pa ako.
3 months ko pong ginugol sa pagtitraining para po makamit po ang gabing ito ng baging champion po ako. At ngayon po, nangyari na. At sobra pong masayang-masaya pa ako dahil po sa paghihirap po sa 3 months na yon, nasuklan po ng napakadang blessings para sa akin.
It was an action-packed night in which the underdogs shined.